everyone, it's Carl and I'm out here in Chilliwack with Hipcamp Canada, and I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes that I've made at home. I've made car camping and I've made backpacking so that you have a new recipe for the next time you visit a Hipcamp. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Thai green curry, and I do this with a bunch of different ingredients. Sometimes I use eggplant, sometimes I use potatoes, sometimes I have peppers in here, but today I am going to be using these dehydrated wild mushrooms that I found at Costco. So this would be a great meal if you are out in the backcountry or car camping and you're conscious about weight. I know that we have a lot of things that are kind of heavy out here, but I mean, it's worth it for good food in the backcountry sometimes. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to add some oil into here. It's gonna be about a tablespoon. And we're just doing this so that we can fry our paste. There's always just a better element when you fry the paste. It just brings out more flavor. Once we get our oil going, I like to turn it down to a simmer so that it heats up a bit slower. So we add in our curry paste and just fry that up. Then we're gonna add in some water, about halfway, so it'll be, I'm gonna say 500 mils. Now we're just gonna add some of this chicken bouillon powder just to bring a little bit of saltiness and get that chicken flavor in there. Now we're gonna add in some coconut cream powder. I love these. I found these at my local Asian grocer and they're seriously the best. I've used it for laksa, I use it for this. You can use it for any type of yellow or red curry, but this is money. It's lightweight. Oh, turn your stove down to a simmer and then you can add in your coconut paste. We just don't want it over boiling. And then you can just start mixing in. And so now we're gonna add in our fish sauce. We're just adding just about like a teaspoon to half a teaspoon, just for that salty goodness. I love it, not too much. And now that the hard part's over, we get to just add stuff in, which is the fun part. So like I said, you can have Thai curry a lot of different ways. Today I am gonna do everything in one pot. So I've got my rice, I've got some Thai basil to finish, these dried mushrooms from Costco, and then just some spinach for some really nice greens in there, and then we'll finish it off with some lime. So, but first I'm gonna put in the rice. And just do your best to like break up some of these rice chunks. Now we just add in our mushrooms. There's a good mixture of them in here actually. You can bring as many as you like. They are very light. Next we just add in a bunch of spinach for the digestion. Just want to get these wilted basically. So we're gonna end with adding our lime and our Thai basil, and our Thai basil will go in first. And so we can just add this in. You can put a handful, a bunch, it's whatever, it's your preference, but this just cuts through the curry a little bit. And to finally finish off, our cherry on top, a bunch of dried shallots. Well, that's all from me. Thanks for coming along my last 3 adventures with Hipcamp Canada. If you use any of my recipes, be sure to let me know. I'd love to hear from you. But from now, cheers.